Tell the time, tell the time, tell the time. I can tell the time. Hi, I am Heidian Mitchell Dillon. Are you ready? Are you excited about mathematics? Today's topic is time. Do you remember when we learned about time? How do we tell the time? Correct, we use a clock. Do you remember the name of that special clock? The analog clock. Where can you see it? Maybe at your home on the wall, maybe in your classroom. Do you remember the last time I saw a big clock in the town? Now we're going to continue learning some more about clocks and how to tell the time. Let us review some of the things we've learned already. The analog clock has a face. It has numbers 1 to 12. It looks like this: 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back to 12. Finally, the clock has hands. What are the two hands that the clock has? The short hand is called the hour hand. That one moves very slowly. The other hand is called the minute hand. This hand moves quicker than the hour hand. We already learned how to tell the time on the hour. So let us practice together. Look at this clock. What time do you see? Do you notice that the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 2? What time do you see? Remember, to tell the time on the hour, we always read the hour first. What number do you see on the hour? Correct, 2. Then, the minute hand is next. What number do you see? It's touching the 12. But we read it o'clock. So what time do you see? Correct, the time is 2 o'clock. Let us practice some more. Tell me, what time do you see? Good job, the time is 4 o'clock. One more. What time do you see? Correct, the time is 10 o'clock. Now you know how to read the analog clock. Now, we're going to take a look at a new type of clock. It's called the digital clock. Take a look. Do you see the difference? This one shows the hands. This one has no hands. This one only has numbers. It's easy to read. Let us focus on the digital clock. Do you remember our example recently? What time is it? The time is 10 o'clock. What will it look like on the digital clock? Let's see. Are both of them the same? No, they're different. You notice the digital clock only has numbers. But what do these numbers mean? Do you remember the rule? We read the hour first. The hour is 10. Next, we see 00. What does that mean? That represents the minutes. But look at the analog clock. The minute hand is touching 12. It is the same. It represents 00. Do you see the 2 dots there? That is used to separate the hour from the minutes. Now you can tell the time. What time do you see? The time is 10 o'clock. Let's do some more practice. Look at the clock. Tell me the time. The time is 8 o'clock. One more practice. Take a look. What time do you see? Correct. The time is 5 o'clock. Good job. Now you can read 2 different types of clocks. Now, I want you to practice telling the time on the hour on both clocks. Let's do one together. Look. What time do you see? Correct. The time is 7 o'clock. What would it look like on the digital clock? Correct. 7:00. Now you understand. I want you to practice some more by yourself. Take a look at the time. Think about it. Maybe you can write it down on a paper or in your book and show your friend. Are you ready? Take a look. What time did you see? Good. What does it look like? Wonderful. Let's sing again. Tell the time. Tell the time. Tell the time. I can tell the time. You did well today. See you next time. Bye.